My name is Ted Oshman. I am one of the senior partners at Oshman & Mirasola. We are a law firm with primary offices in New York City. However, we handle cases all over the United States through affiliated relationships with other attorneys and other law firms. We handle a variety of cases with a primary emphasis in medical malpractice, pharmaceutical litigation, environmental litigation, and serious personal injury litigation. What is particularly unusual about medical malpractice litigation is it's not enough just to be a knowledgeable lawyer. As an attorney handling these cases, you also have to have the financial resources to pay for these cases, because what is involved is not only obtaining records, not only paying experts, but to be a firm that truly is successful in this area, you have to be willing and able, both technically and financially, to try these cases. One of the areas of our website that really shows to clients what we can do for them as lawyers and the success that we've had in the past is the verdicts and settlements section of our website. And there they can look at the different types of cases we've handled and the results we've obtained. And while there's no guarantee that they will obtain the same results or that these verdicts and settlements will exist in their particular case, what the section of the website is indicative of is the history we have, the knowledge we have, and the commitment that we make to our clients. After watching these videos, I'm certain that there's no way that we as a law firm could have answered the questions of each and every client who may be on this website. What I would suggest to them is to browse through the site, click onto any area of interest that may pertain to them. There are thousands and thousands of pages of information here at oshmanlaw.com. If you would like to speak to an attorney, feel free to contact us at 800-400-8182 or use the contact form. We look forward to hearing from you.